Hi everyone. Traffic can be unpredictable, and sometimes, no matter what your prudence is, luck isn't on your side. But are these points really just failures, or are they the result of a bad decision? Today, we will consider some of the most incredible incidents on the road, in research that reminds us of what everything can change. Remember, no matter how you are, unexpected can happen to anyone. Stay alert, stay safe, and never underestimate the power of caution. Enjoy watching. The gray car overtakes incorrectly and tries to avoid hitting the oncoming car, causing the car on the right to crash. Poor dear didn't realize the car was coming and ran across the road. I hope it's okay. The truck coming from behind fails to notice the crashed vehicles in front and crashes into the vehicles in front. The tire of the truck in front came off and went under the car coming from behind, causing the car to flip over. Imagine you are getting ready to go out and someone comes and hits your car right in front of you. The thought of it is horrible. Municipalities should take more precautions on such bridges for high vehicles. Another tire accident. Please have the tires of your vehicles checked regularly. This driver seems to have confused the pedestrian path with the vehicle path. The oncoming vehicle lost control of the steering wheel in the wet and hit this vehicle. These people's only crime was to eat there that day. This driver confused the gas and brake and hit the mechanic. I hope he is okay. The white car narrowly escaped being trapped between the truck and the wall. Fortunately, no one was injured. another tire incident. He fell off the motorcycle while trying to do evil. He who does good finds good, and he who does evil finds evil. The speeding truck could not stop and overturned on the white vehicle. Owners of long and large vehicles should be extra careful.
At the end of his distinguished career was shabby.
And then also since he and other cabinet members were missed. Justice Scott visits Tampa later today to promote his new state budget, which includes...
Someone should teach this driver that you can't pass on the right. Thank you for watching the video so far. For more educational and informative videos like this video, you can like and share it with your friends. Goodbye to see you in the days of careful driving.